There we go. Woo! It's hot. I'm out here now. I am out here doing the damn thing in Mazatlan. Hey, guess where I am? Woo! Yeah, baby. Hey! Agua. Me and Regina, we chilling at the beach.
Yes, we
about to get in this here water.
Yes.
Yes. Woohoo! Happy hump day, huh?
Oh, honey, not for me.
Okay,
I'm good.
best Wednesday ever.
Yes,
Look at that. Woo!
Oh
yes,
God,
we are chilling in the water.
Yes, and it feels
There's Miss Regina back there.
It feels amazing.
She's all shocked because she's 5'3" and she can stand up way out here.
Whoa, that was fun.
Yes, we are here in paradise. Doing it.
Yes.
And
yes,
doing
yes.
it well.
Yes.
Woo! That's where we are,
Yes, we
huh?
are.
And behind us is the El Bolero, best bar on Stone Island.
Yes, it is.
Look for Chewy because he's
Look
the
for
dude.
Chewy. He'll take care of you.
Yes. Oh, today is a good day. Uh-oh. I got a little seaweed. I'm not going to get paranoid. I'm okay. Woo! Out here. There we go. Hey. Beautiful Stone Island in Mazatlan. Chilling. Out here. Getting my float on most of the time. Today is a good day. Yes. Woo. All right, as I was. beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. Flying on low. Did I get the pelican? He was way too low. I got to. Oh, it's taking me. It's taking me. Oh my God. I'm so chill. I don't know if I'm gonna get back on the ship. I might just stay here. Y'all find me in Mexico. Y'all looking for me. Hear that beautiful water? Whew. There it comes. Woo, it got me too. Uh-oh, got me. Oh, this water feels so damn good. Too far out to body surf. I'm past where the waves break. So here I go. Me pedaling, trying to get closer in. Okay, now I'm walking about. And I'm feeling good. Woo! Okay, we're almost there. Turn it off. Next one. We're gonna ride the wave. Is this a wave? I'm okay. Make sure my boobies ain't hanging out. Woo-wee! Woo! And I'm feeling good. Doo-doo. 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 y'all. Woo-wee. Drunk body surfing. I'm in this water. Look at me. Cold chilling. Today's the best day. We gotta leave like in a half an hour or so. Sorry if I got boogers. You know when you be in the water, you get a saline rinse. Today has just been really the best day. I'm here with my homie Regina. Just met her, but we chilling like we known each other forever. It's a real good time. I'm so thankful that I'm able to do this. Don't take any of it for granted. And as Dorothy Jean Graves would say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, my sweaty black ass is back in my cabin. It was 5:15, get back in the ship. Fucking with Regina's ass. It was like 5:25 when I made it back. So I don't have to stay in Mexico. Had like 6 margaritas and a lot of sun, a lot of water. I'm about to take a long shower, not even hot, because I'm just sweating like a hoe in church. I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to rest for an hour, and then I have the teppanyaki. I'm sweating because it's humid as a lot in Mazatlan, and we had to hurry to make it back to the boat. Like, we was pressing it, and I was like, I got my passport in the safe. I can't get stuck in Mexico. I left with only my driver's license. I cannot be stuck in Mexico. So we made it. I'm happy. I'm hot. I'm sandy. I'm black. I'm happy. Talk to you later. I made it back to the cabin. Got up about an hour before my dinner reservation. And that is the only reason I am sitting here watching the Food Channel, Guy Fieri, Flavor Town, Guy's Grocery Games. I only watch that when I know what my next meal is. And thankfully, my next meal is the teppanyaki. Oh, they don't know I'm finna put a hurting on them. So I'm gonna lay here for an hour. I took a shower. I'm refreshed. I got my hair half covered up. I'm clean. I put the blanket over me to tape this little vignette because I'm laying here butt ass naked, chilling. So just relaxed, happy. This is like a really, really good vacation. I'm just praising God and thank you, Lord. Like I just thank you, God. I'm humbled by the good time that I'm having. It's just a blessing. So just wanted to tell you, I'm watching Guys Grocery Games. Sitting here, I haven't eaten since breakfast. Drank 6 margaritas. So you know my 7:15 reservation at the teppanyaki, I won't be late. I'm going to put a hurting on them. I'll see y'all there. I'll probably show you before, like I'm ready to go and stuff. Toodles. I gotta rest. I gotta power rest because that sun and that water kicked your girl's ass today in a good way.